Group of friends discover a locket hanging on the remains of a fire tower. One of them, Troy, pockets it. Moments later, the corpse of Johnny rises from the ground. Enraged, he begins his search for the locket and walks through the woods. He pauses at the sight of a rotting fox corpse and hears a nearby argument between two men, one of whom set the traps that killed the fox. Johnny walks to a house and enters unnoticed. When he sees a necklace that he mistakes for his locket, he has a brief memory of his father. The homeowner soon returns, but is horrified by Johnny and runs away. In the woods, he gets his leg stuck in his own bear trap and is killed by Johnny. Later, Johnny hears a car in the distance and pursues it. Johnny approaches the group of friends sitting around a campfire. One of them, Aaron, recounts Johnny's death. Decades prior, Johnny, developmentally delayed son of a local merchant, was tricked into climbing the fire tower for a bag of toys, only to find someone waiting at the top to scare him. He fell from the tower to his death, which was deemed accidental. According to legend, two series of murders decades apart are attributed to Johnny's vengeful spirit. After the story, the group goes inside their cabin. Aaron steps outside and is killed by Johnny with a draw knife. Johnny then drags his body to a nearby park ranger office. Inside, Johnny collects a pair of dragging hooks and an axe and dons an antique firefighter mask. The next day, Johnny comes across Aurora and Brody on a lake dock. Brody wants to swim, but Aurora leaves to practice yoga. As Brody swims in the lake alone, Johnny submerges in the water and drowns her. He then pursues Aurora, which is standing near a cliffside practicing yoga. Johnny kills her with his dragging hooks before throwing her mutilated body off the cliff. Later, Troy called and Ivan argue over car keys and their missing friends, and Munn throws his keys into the woods, which Johnny picks up. He plays with an attached toy car keychain as Colt and Chris drive off on an ATV. Johnny then kills Troy and Ivan. Colt and Chris return shortly afterward, having found Aaron's body at the park ranger station, but flee at the sight of the Johnny. By nightfall, Johnny approaches the station, where the ranger is explaining to Colt and Chris that the locket which Chris is wearing is what keeps Johnny's soul at rest. The ranger momentarily subdues Johnny with a shotgun, but Johnny paralyzes him as Colt and Chris flee. Johnny kills the ranger by dismembering him and a log splitter. Later, Colt attempts to distract Johnny to trap him, but Johnny kills him with an axe. A shell-shocked Chris leaves Johnny locket hanging on a gas canister and flees into the woods. She accidentally injures her leg, but by dawn manages to limp to a nearby road. A woman in a pickup truck stops and offers to drive her to a hospital. In an attempt to reassure Chris, the woman recounts how her brother, a game warden, survived a bear mauling in the same woods decades prior. The woman notices that Chris' bleeding has worsened and stops the truck, insisting that she put a tourniquet around the injured leg. Terrified, Chris begs her to keep driving and peers into the wood, waiting for someone to appear. Elsewhere, the left behind gas canister is missing Johnny locket, indicating that he's finally at peace.